are here at IndiaWood 2026, celebrating the outstanding second day with Freud. We have a representative from Freud, and sir, you may introduce yourself.
Yes, hi everybody, my name is Andrea Comandina, I'm from Italy and I'm head of sales for Asia Pacific for Freud Tools.
As one of the most well-known industry solution providers, how would you describe your company's strength and key benefits?
Freud Tools is a global leader of manufacturing of high-quality solutions for the woodworking industry. We have a wide range of products for solid wood application, panel processing, aluminum and metal cutting. We have a portfolio, we have basically 4 core segments. Our biggest core segment are circular saw blades, where we have a wide range of products, also in terms of diameter, in terms of carbide grades, to cut different materials and to maximize the lifetime of the tool per specific product. We have circular saw blades, we have CNC tools, drill tools, route bits, as well as components, cutter heads and hard metal components.
What are the innovative products you are showcasing in IndiaWood?
Here at IndiaWood, we are showcasing some new products into multi-ripping with our black ice range. So it's a blade for multi-ripping with an innovative coating. We are showcasing a new range for aluminum cutting, and we are showcasing several specific application-driven products for the panel saw application.
What do you expect from the Indian market, and how do you see the growth and challenges?
We've been present in India for more than 25 years. It's been a market that has given us always very, very promising opportunities. We're still believing there's a lot of potential to be catched, and we are working to make sure to maximize the opportunities that we find through our trusted network of partners.
What are the current focus of the company? What are the products they are making to match the trends of the industry?
A modernization trend has been happening in India. So more and more automation, CNC machines are available in the market, and we are trying to educate the users which are the best products for them. So our focus at the moment is trying to move forward considering the modernization trend that we see.
Thank you, sir, and we wish all the best to the company for the upcoming days.
Thank you so much.